Hey there! Welcome back to the Sunday Range Day, and this is the part two range review. And as you can see, this rifle looks a little bit different this go around. Yes, I've personalized it. I've made it my own with my own personal taste, and I like it. Who knows? It might change again tomorrow. well, that's the joy of these types of rifles, right? First off, let me show you here that the magazine is empty. There's nothing in the chamber, and it is safe for handling. So, yeah, we're excited today. We've got it all pretty much dialed in, and we want to really go over the performance and have some fun today. We didn't really get to do that on our last range day with this, so we went over the reliability with it, and it performed flawlessly. So we're hoping we get that again. We got a few different types of ammunition with us today, and we'll see if it can pass muster on that as well. So let me get you a look at this one. Oh, and I had a Romeo 5 optic, and I threw that on there. We'll see what that does for this, and hopefully we'll get some good accuracy out of it. Like I said, we'll probably change it up as we move on, because this won't be the last time this will be seen on the channel for sure. So, yeah. Well, you didn't come to hear me jibber jabber. You came to see some cool stuff, fun stuff, and have a great Sunday range day. So let's dive right into it. What do you say? All right, crew. First things first, we have a target setting up out there. We're not going to spend a lot of time on targets today. We'll get to some fun stuff, but I do want to see what this rifle will do with an optic on it, okay? So we're going to give just 5 rounds to each one of those orange circles on that target out there, okay? And we'll see what it does. And we'll try, I think, 4 different types of ammo and see how it runs with those. Okay, first up is the good old American Eagle. This is Federal. This is 124 grain full metal jacket. This is just a atypical ball round, and let's see what it does to this rifle with this optic now. Put my ears on, and I've got my eyes on all the time, so let's send these 5 and see what they will do. All right, safety's off. We're going hot. This will be the top left target. Okay, sending 5 on that top left. Sorry about that, guys. I had my optic covers on like a big dummy. Okay, that was all 5. The magazine is empty. The chamber is empty. Let's check out our target. Okay, excellent group. And wah, 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 wah. Oh. Yes, indeed, that was bullseye 2 times there. So that is a cookie shot. And let's see, this was the Federal. Oh, that's a big yellow jacket, ain't it? Okay, this was the Federal. And we'll move on to the next. All right, this go around, we're going to try some Ammo Incorporated. This is the first time I've tried this in a PC, so this is 115 grain, and this is just full metal jacket, same as the others. And let's see what 5 rounds of that will do at that top right target. And we are going hot. Safety off, got my ears on, and here we go. Okay, that was all 5. Magazine's empty, chamber's empty. Let's go check it out. Okay, still a good group, not exactly centered, but those did fire consistently to the left for some reason. Okay. And that was the ammo ink. Now, on to the next one. Okay, for this 5, we're going to go back to the Tula ammo. This is that steel case, that 115 grain. That's full metal jacket, same as the others. That is the steel case. This is what performed so well in the part 1 of this video series. So let's see what 5 of these do through an optic sighted in now. And we're going hot. This will be the bottom left target. Good, that was 5. Magazine is empty. The chamber is clear. Let's check it out. Okay, now we've got, we got a little black there. That's good. All right, that was the Tula ammo. Yeah, that's a pretty good group. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there touching. So that's pretty darn good. It's interesting to see how every different type of ammo shoots differently. I find that amazing. All right, on to the next. Okay, for the last and final shot group on this target, we have the Spear LE Gold Dot. This is the duty ammo, and this is 124 grain in the Gold Dot hollow point. And yeah, those ought to be good hole punchers on that target for a real good visual. So let's see how 5 of these do. Get my ears on, and we are hot. This is the last one, the bottom right target. Okay. That magazine's empty. The chamber's clear. Let's check our final one. All right. The last group. Not bad. Not bad. For hollow points, pretty darn good. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all there. And that was the Spear. So let's get into the fun stuff. Okay, for this one, we've got some steel spinner action, courtesy of one of our channel members, Chad Noonan. Big thanks to him for sending that to the channel. And we're going to try it out now with the Bear Creek Arsenal BC9 and the American Eagle 124 grain full metal jackets. So let's send these and have some fun. And we are hot. I'll aim for the bottom first and see what happens. There we go. Good one. Ah, too much fun. All right, magazine's empty, chamber's empty. There we go. That's pretty good. I'm surprised. That's a really good heavy duty target. I don't feel any dimpling at all. And pretty good group with the 115s. Pretty darn good. All right, be right back. For this one, we've got an outdated jug of white grapefruit juice. So let's see what one of those hollow points would do to this jug. We've got one of the Spear Gold Dots loaded up, the 124 grains here. We're sending it at that jug of grapefruit juice. All right, and we're going hot. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Magazine's empty, chamber's empty. Let's check it out. Okay, we didn't get the big boom like we wanted, but it definitely drained the bottle. We've got something funner. All right, this go around, we've got some garbanzo beans. And these, like I say, everything's outdated or we would not be doing this. But we're trying to get a good reaction for you guys. And let's see what that Spear Gold Dot does to these garbanzo beans. And if
you're going to be saying that the rest of the day, ain't you?
Yeah, today's magic word is garbanzo. And if we don't get a good enough reaction, we'll take out this pop can, soda can. So, be right back. Okay, garbanzo beans and that soda can, pop can. So I've got 2 rounds loaded up, one for each. Let's see if I can take them out. Garbanzo. 3, 2, 1. Oh, let me make the guns safe here. Okay, magazine's empty, but chamber's empty. Let's check it out. Okay, that garbanzo is garbage. Yeah, that was a good hit too. Looked like about center, but it totally inflated the can, and yeah. I tell you what, that's a fun rifle. This is a literal blast. Yeah, we got one more thing. Let's check it out. Bear Gold Dot against the soda can. Let's see what she'll do. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Yeah, that takes care of it. Mag's empty, chamber's empty. Let's check it out. Okay. You see it totally, that hollow point totally flattened that can out. It is no more. And we are actually missing the top of the can. That's interesting.
I think I see it down there.
Wow. This one. It is. Good eye. Good eye. That totally blew the top end of the can off. That's awesome. All right. Okay, there you have it, crew. That was a lot of fun, I have to say. That let me get my ears off. But we are clear now. This the rifle is empty. The mag's empty. The chamber's empty. We're safe for handling. So I have no complaints, none whatsoever. This thing has eaten everything we put through it, and we've been through sighting it in off camera and stuff like that. It's not failed. If it had, I would have told you. And another thing too about this is, um, I have not oiled or prepped this action in any way. I purposely did that through the whole review series because I wanted to see how it would function, like in that light. But I am more than pleased with this. This, like I said, we've went with it. So there you go. And even the being scoped in really did it well. She's dirty now, that's for sure. That was quite a few rounds between this and the last video, but it's all good. It's what they're designed for. And I am more than pleased. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. We greatly appreciate you. We'll have some photos at the end as usual on these range days. We tend to do that, and hope you had a good time. We had a blast as usual, and big shout out again and thanks to Bear Creek Arsenal, guys. We can't thank you enough. This will get a lot of use here on the channel, and we greatly appreciate the everything. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a keeper for sure. We'll definitely make the move on that. But thanks, guys, once again. And until the next one, take care and be safe. Farewell.